we're going to talk about why that is a mistake and how to make sure that you can avoid that. Poor communication. This is another biggie. You have to communicate with your partner. It's not just a one-sided conversation, but it is a conversation and it's a dialogue, and you need to have good communication with your partnership. And part of that challenge is figuring out what you should be saying and how you should be communicating with your partner. We're going to talk about that. Number 4, of course, is choosing the wrong partner. Now, if you get the wrong partner, lots of things can happen. I'll talk more about that. But again, and this relates back to the earlier points I made, if you wind up with the wrong partner, you can be stuck for years with them. So I'm going to talk about ways to make sure that you don't wind up choosing the wrong partner. And finally, ignoring the red flags. And this is a big one. And this probably covers all of the ones I previously talked. You get excited, you have a partnership, whether it's an individual startup or big company comes along and wants to license your IP, and you get excited, but there are red flags there that you're not paying attention to. Okay. And those red flags are actually indicators about who this potential partner is and whether or not you can work with them.